Hello, I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to take you through a room tour in a hotel called Green Pepper Boutique Hotel in Mbombela on Nelspruit. Mbombela is Nelspruit, right? So it's not only a room tour, but I'm also going to show you around how the hotel looks like. There's a restaurant, there's a swimming pool, so there's a lot of things. Also, there's a gym outside. I'm going to start showing you the bathroom, the room, and then we'll go outside to show you the other things. Let's begin. So you enter from behind me, and then in front of you, just when you get in, is a bathroom, right? This is your tub, and you have two mirrors. Over here is your shower. It's very big, but doesn't have a door, but still it's nice. Over here, you have your toilet. Then, from the bathroom, we have a sink that is also joined by the bedroom. So this is your two sinks, two glasses for water, this fake ocean plant, two mirrors. That is what we have this side. Coming to the bedroom, we have this big double bed here. Not only this bed, but you also have a smaller bed. This one is tough. It's not very comfortable. That is if you have children or kids or a kid, of which I don't. We also have a wardrobe over here, Also, it doesn't have doors like the shower. Then you have your hangers. Maybe this is for your washing basket. Then you have your safe over them. Then they have this book. I think it's a Bible, Psalms. I don't know why it's here. And then we have these over here. So that is your shower gel, your hand lotion, and your shampoo. Then this is a small soap, and then you have a shower cap, and then these are your towels. Take a look at something that is very cool. This curtain. We press here, and then it does this. How cool is that? We also have a fridge here, you can put your stuff, anything that you need. So there's a small fridge. Just on top of the fridge, you have two cups, you have tea bags, you have coffee, you have milk, you have a bottle of water, you have a jar for boiling water, and then you have this lamp here. This is the overall look of the room. Then you have this TV here. But the thing is, it's a basic TV, so it's not a smart screen. This is the view that you get, Look at those beautiful hills. Nice. And there's a shopping center. And there's a main road over here. That is obviously nice and beautiful. Now let's go outside, to check out the hotel and all the other stuff. Alright, now we're outside the hotel and the view is nothing but stunning, So behind me is the actual hotel. I just wanted to show you from this angle. So this is the hotel over there, Chili Pepper Boutique Hotel in Mpumalanga. And they have a generator. Then this is the gate, I'm sure maybe that is a neighboring hotel. And then we have this. And actually there's a garage over there. And McDonald's, I just see McDonald's there. But you have all these beautiful views here. That's the price if you're interested. And that doesn't include dinner and breakfast. You'll need to add more if you want. That's the restaurant. Now let's go to the gym area. Okay, so this is the gym area, you know. Let's go in. Hot pepper outdoor gym. So this is the gym, you know. Nothing crazy, it's just basic. Basic gym. It has everything that you need though. You have your bench press, you have your treadmills, you know, you have your bikes, you have your pull-up bar. I mean, like, it's everything you need. Now let's go to the reception area. That is my dream car. So this is where you enter this side. Okay. That was a quick one for the reception. We also have a pool area here. Take a look. It's indoors. Oh, this is a pool area. And it's rooms over there. Alright, that other side there's a lot of people. So I'm not going to film there. But this is the reception area and then the restaurant over there. Now let me go and show you the ironing room, because here you don't request for ironing, so they just take you to the ironing room straight. This is very beautiful and nice. And then this is the ironing room. It's just small and beautiful. Thanks. Now we'll see you on the next one. Bye.